tourist lagi.
Sa atong sitwasyon karon sa atong eskwelahan ba. We are the tourist spot sa education diri
Okay,
sa
San Carlos.
San Carlos diri sa Visayas and Mindanao, no? Having the achievements of graduating a lot of successful students who took the board exams or bar exams who top.
Actually today.
Karon lang, fresh from the oven.
Yeah.
Oh, fresh from the
2,
oven.
3, 4 upat ka San Carlos, I think.
Upat
Sa bar
graduates
exam.
from USC.
Oh.
Bar exam.
Yeah.
Okay.
2, 3, and 4. The other one.
Yeah.
Wow, nice, no?
Wala pa nigawas jud ang official kay like karon lang jud adlaw.
Kay last year it was 247.
Yes, sir.
Amo to nakapustabo na.
Sa luto.
Muli ko.
Sa luto.
Ano dire?
Nada.
Kompleto.
Okay.
Tara, sir. Tara. Girl Scout ni si Miss.
Uy. Ang first is Ateneo. Then second is Natuel Marcel Agustus, University of San Carlos with 87.53.
Palakpak na to.
Kunya,
Tatak
number
Carolina.
3 si Badayos Mark Lawrence, University of San Carlos, 85.842.
Wow.
Hooray!
Then, ang 9 at 10, upat di ay.
Yes, sir. Upat.
Ang number 9, si Kane Jeb Linos.
Kani na siya, sir.
Kani.
Oo.
Jeb Linos, University of San Carlos, 84.80.50. Ninth placer. Yan, 10th, Pita Allen Joel R., University of San Carlos, 84.6930.
Palakpak kaya po.
Carolina.
So, that only...
Supreme Court of the Philippines.
That only shows.
A total of 8,155 law graduates.
Wow, grabe, no?
Huh? And only, wala iputang din kung pila ni pasar.
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus.
Transfer.
Clinic, sir. 1,800 plus daw.
So, di na kinahanglan ang mga taga-Bisaya sa Mindanao, no?
22%. Wow.
Na mo to pag Manila para mag-study
Yes, sir.
law.
Yes, sir.
Dili na San Carlos.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, mag-interview man ko mga transfer, sir, from either Mindanao or Manila. They would tell me nga, transfer ko sa Cebu, sir, kay USC is famous for such kind of
Quality
training for
education.
our students, specifically our law students. So, mao na sila. From Manila, ha? Mubali na sila. dili. So, I would tell them, don't think nga you are here because sayon ra ha. It's more challenging here.
We are a school or we're an educational institution, not after for quantity.
Yes.
But
sir.
for
Quality.
quality.
Yes, sir.
Kay doon na magoy mo ingon nga nagkamahal man ang tuition sa San Carlos. Mga lagi na. Kaya ang tubag sa lana, quality man lagi.
Quality
Diba?
has a price.
Quality
Yun na
has a
siya,
price.
sir.
Wow,
So,
Okay,
it's
hindi
some-
naman sa talaga na 2.5.
Mga gani. Yeah, ang
If
ato.
you, I don't want to compare with other universities pa. Therefore, quantity. Parang ato is quality. Bahala na tayo nagresulta. Even financially, nagresult ang San Carlos sa maintaining. No? Kaya wala man tayo duha ka classes karon. Right now, we have the first year and fourth years. We don't have second year and
Yes,
third
sir.
year.
Third
Yes,
year.
sir.
Hopefully, this coming opening sa August, we have first year, second year. Pero
Ulay.
gradual ang fourth year mawa na. But no third year.
Yes.
So it's a little sir lang ba? It's a culture shock pa lang. You know, every constitution is always adjusting on that kind of thing. So it's normal, sir. Normal siguro ang
Yeah, I think there's a law right now. I don't know if you've read it. It is a mandate by CHED that all colleges will have to start on August na.
Check
I think it's not that easy, sir. Kita lang gani our transition. So, grabe atong preparation.
It took us 4 years.
To prepare
Yes,
for
sir.
it.
Pero naibaw naman sila daanan na.
Ayan,
Dapat August yun, di ba?
At least nakauna ta.
Nakauna ta.
Yes.
Nakapangandam ta.
Oh yes, sir.
Yeah.
For us, like students, before, because we are in the transition change of the new curriculum of University of San Carlos, we are the one who students na sige petition every SEM because all those subjects are off SEM. We took this second SEM for this university. Our subject is first SEM for third year and this one like that. So me and Rina are classmates more than 3 years already on the same subject and the same person.
No ba,
Because-
the same subjects?
Yes, sir.
3 years na ninyo
We're
ikuha.
always,
Yes.
we're like a group of, we're like a group.
Karuhan
Like, like
Taba, taba,
rules
taba.
for the
Wa mo mandun ako, no?
same circle. Same circle, sir. So, we did like petitioning subjects like every sem. Literally every sem dyan, sir.
Unya, dapat rabag yun. Humanon ninyo na sa 2019 kaysa 2020, lain ang curriculum.
Yes, sir.
So that means nga dili na offered ng mga subject ha. O
Just
balik mas uno.
I think
Ah,
this will be a
yes,
special
sir.
case man gitawag na tutorial na.
Yes,
Yes.
tutorial.
So,
More
Oh.
expensive.
Which is more expensive.
I don't know if I don't know if it's right for us to tell the price. but
Oh.
it's quite expensive.
Expensive.
Yes, sir.
Just
Oh.
comparing the,
That's so
the
true.
whole classes pay.
Oo, sino na.
Mm.
In fact, karon na ako usa ka tutorial. Usa ra ka student. Kay siya may nikuha na.
Yung kinanglan ko
Kinanglan ko niya.
Oh, nya
Oh,
abig
tutorial.
na pasar diretso dili sud per me.
Ako, doon ka tutorial.
Oh.
Usa ka klase puro 5.
Gitiwasan din mo sir.
You don't expect na you paid for this.
Oh.
You're gonna pass.
Oh.
You have to pass for quality, not for
Quantity.
the sake of,
Yeah.
ano,
Oh.
pay for that.
Bitaw, bitaw.
Sabi naging sultan ni Father sa na you do not pass the student just for the sake of passing,
Yes.
but pass them because they are
They
qualified.
deserve-
They
they
deserve to
deserve to
pass.
pass.
Oh.